Good afternoon, Vandana. This is Pragati Prajapati standing in front of you giving presentation on sustainable energy and power system. First of all, we will discuss about what is sustainable energy. Sustainable energy can be defined as a form of energy that can be utilized again and again without putting its source in danger of getting depleted, expired, or vanished. The most popular sources of sustainable energy, including wind, solar, and hydropower, are also renewable. Now, types of sustainable energy. First is solar. This is the common renewable energy sources and is usually produced using photovoltaic cells that capture sunlight and turn it into electricity. Solar power is also used to heat buildings and for not water as well as for cooking, lighting. It is also affordable enough to be used for domestic purpose and is also used on a large scale. Second is wind power energy. This energy uses the power of the flow of air around the world to push turbines that then generates electricity. Third is hydropower. It is also known as hydroelectric power. This type of energy uses the flow of water in winds, rivers, streams, dams, etc. Fourth is geothermal energy. This energy is used for bathing in hot springs for thousands of years and for safe it has been used for bathing in hot springs for thousands of years, and the same resources can be used for steam to turn turbines and generates electricity. Fifth is biomass, sixth is biofuel. Rather than burning biomass, these organic materials can be transformed into fuels such as ethanol and biodiesel. And seventh is nuclear energy. Moving on the next topic, which is technologies involved in sustainable energy. First is biofuel technology, second is bioenergy technologies, third is tidal, fourth is wave energy, and fifth is geothermal. Now, the needs of sustainable energy. First is fight against climate change. Second is inexhaustible sources of energy. In this, sustainable energy is energy derived from natural resources that replenishes themselves over a period of time without depleting the earth's resources. Second is reduces energy dependence on fossil fuels. Giving the recent example of coal shortage across the country, which has makes us realize that how much we are dependent on coal for our energy requirements. Fourth is increasingly competitive. Sustainables are now the most cost competitive sources of energy in many parts of the world. And fifth is creates job developing local community, generating energy that produces no greenhouse gas emissions from fossil fuels and reduces some types of air pollution, creating economic development and jobs in manufacturing, installation, and more. Thank you. Further will be continued by Preet.
Now, role of electronic and communication in sustainable energy by the manufacturing of photovoltaic cell from semiconductor wafer. So, you all know about that the solar cell which have a great potential for harness the brightest source of energy. Second one, solar panel are also manufacturing by assembling the photovoltaic cell in field of hydrogen fuel or bioelectronics. It is the main role of electronics engineer. Transmission of sustainable energy through power system. When light energy from the sun strikes a photovoltaic cell or solar cell, it energizes the cell and cause electron to come loose from atoms in the semiconductor wafers. Those electrons are set in motion by the electric field surrounding to the wafers, and the motion creates an electric current. So this is the diagram of power system. The power system is a network which is consists generation, distribution and transmission system. It is used to form a energy and convert into a electrical energy. So the further part will be continued by Jaya.
So now we will discuss about the business and job opportunities in sustainable energy. According to the Environmental and Energy Study Institute, sustainable or renewable energy careers are among the fastest growing segments within the US energy sector. This is due to increasing employment in areas like wind and geothermal power as well as growth in renewable fuels. One can do job in various fields of sustainable energy you can get acquainted with your choices. The renewable energy sector is fast growing industry. Some of the best renewable energy job for sustainable energy job seekers are wind turbine technician, energy analyst, energy law associate, energy transition technical specialist, field intern, solar project engineer, junior energy data specialist, and many more. There are the various ideas in sustainable energy like e-vehicle distribution and selling. In this, the e-bike is getting popularity rapidly in our country. Additionally, reputed four-wheeler manufacturing companies are constantly trying to launch the best model of four-wheelers. Next one is the cool roofs installation. In this, you can install cool roofs that are made up of materials that reflect solar heat so that the building does not heat up due to heat absorption. Next one is the geothermal power plant. In this, it can be used very effectively in both on and off grid developments and is especially useful in rural electrification schemes, and India has several potential areas that are suitable for establishing geothermal power plants. Another one is the hydro-based power plant. It is a renewable energy resource that utilizes Earth's water cycle to generate electricity. The movement of water flow downstream in lakes and river creates kinetic energy that is converted into electricity. The energy generated by running water has been utilized for many decades. Thank you. Further will be continued by Suryansh.
Thank you, Jaya. We all know that the electric vehicles operates on an electric motor instead of internal combustion engine. So ultimately there will be demand of electricity to charge the batteries, and that demand will be fulfilled by the renewable sources. And also various research and trials are also going on. The solar cars are going on. So we can say that the future of electric vehicles seems to be bright, and surely this will come out as a game changer. Now talking about the various challenges in the sustainable energy. So the first challenge is the capital cost. So the infrastructure cost like building and installing solar and power plants are very expensive, although it is quite cheap to operate and maintain, but installation becomes more and more expensive. Power on demand. This is the one of the most significant challenge. In the case of solar power, we can only get energy during the day and only when it is sunny. For wind energy, power is generated only when it is windy. All this problem can be resolved if we will be having a proper storage facility. Location challenges. As we all know that in the country like India, in different regions we have a different topography. Somewhere it is terrain, mountainous, etc. So it becomes really difficult to install solar panel and wind turbines. Now transmission challenges. Most transmitters that exist today are built for coal and other fossil fuels, and they are not useful for renewables. So we need a significant infrastructure for the transmission of clean energy. Now talking about the challenges of policies and regulations. As we know, large scale renewable energy projects require a large amount of capital, which is hindered by the failure of proper policies, and that fails to attract the private players for investment. Now talking about the Conference of Parties 26 Glasgow. So here is the fivefold plan as spelled out by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India's non-fossil energy capacity will reach 500 gigawatt by 2030, and our 50% electricity requirement will be fulfilled by the renewable energy. And talking about the current scenario, our per capita carbon emission is 1.8 ton, and we have promised to reduce by 1 billion tons by 2030. And as we know that as a country we have huge potential, so ultimately we will achieve the net zero by 2070. So now we came to an end. So far we discussed about renewable energy, their types and role of electronics basically, and we know that the renewable energy is collected from resources abundantly available in the environment, that is sun and wind. And also we know that the India has a large potential for generation of solar power, as India is a tropical country, and this will help in the development of solar power sector, and that will boost employment, make environment cleaner, and enhance quality of life. Although we are the fastest growing economy, but still we depend heavily on the imports of energy. So overcoming from these challenges will help in achieving the self-reliance in sustainable energy, and will help us in creating a Atmanirbhar Bharat in the field of sustainable energy. Thank you very much.
Photo
recording